Busy morning as we continue to see snow showers moving through. They continue to slide through now. We'll get right over to radar in just a bit. It's 18 degrees now, winds out of the northwest at 18 miles an hour. That's a little bit of a problem out there because it means that our feels like temperature way down as we're heading into the afternoon hours. So even though temperatures are colder, feels like temperature is also colder. 18 in Pittsburgh this hour, Butler at 20, Washington coming in at 19 degrees, Beaver Falls at 17 degrees, and places like Latrobe 18 and 14, and Champion, you saw plenty of snow in the Champion area, more than 6 inches of snow now being reported down in those communities. High temperature today, well, it was reached at midnight, 27 degrees. The rest of the day, we're looking at temperatures right around 20 degrees or so. Here's a couple of those snow totals that we're just telling you about, including Prospect. These are mostly from Westmoreland and places that aren't elevated, Butler County, Beaver County, where we're looking at Charleroi area, 2 inches there, Penn Run, 3 inches of snow. If we went to the ridges, you'd see some larger, much larger totals, including 6 and 8 inches in some areas. And that's why these places are still under a winter weather advisory. That goes all the way through tonight now at 7 o'clock. It's been extended. It was officially expected to expire at noon, but because the snow continues, we continue to see those advisories in place. Let's talk about the snow that we continue to see. Some heavier pockets, bands of snow continuing to slide in from Lake Erie, including just south. This is the South Hills, seeing some decent amounts of snow. Moving into parts of Westmoreland County, we continue to see some decent amounts of snow as well. We'll take it to the Brentwood area. Decent amounts there just off to the west. Pleasant Hills also seeing some snow. And right on top of, I believe this is the Robinson area. So the Robinson Mall right in this area there, we're seeing that snow. And notice where it's right on top of, that will be 79 that we continue to see some solid snow at this point. What about along 28? Well, Route 28 is continuing to see some decent amounts of snow as well. From West Deer down to the New Kensington area. Big concern at this point is going to be you run into one of those pockets, things change really quickly, and you start to see some slick conditions and low visibilities. Certainly be aware of what you're doing. So we have 2 systems we're watching. One moving out, secondary system arrives on Thursday. That brings another chance for not just snow this time, but some rain. We'll zoom in, just kind of show you our temperatures. Notice that the temperatures all Thursday long above 32 degrees. That's good news. That means we won't have much of an issue when it comes to ice, except for in elevated areas. Big concern at this point is going to be some slushy conditions as you're trying to head into work on Thursday morning. We'll also have a chance for some snow very early on Friday as things look to be wrapping up at that point. Here's your 7-day outlook. Well, that 27, once again, that was reached first thing this morning. Rest of the day, expect temperatures around 20 degrees. 43, though, your Wednesday expected high. 42 on Thursday with rain and snow around. And then we'll be looking at a temperature of just 32 on Friday. Another chance for snow, accumulating snow, will be here also on Sunday.
It's winter. This is what we expect.
Exactly.
So the groundhog would probably tell us, 8 more weeks of winter or something like that.
Oh, it's going to be snowing on Friday morning for Groundhog Day. It's going to be interesting.
Yeah.
If he sees his shadow somehow.
Somehow.
In all that snow.
We'll come out wearing sunglasses.
There we go.
All right. Thanks, Ron.